Etymology and historical origin of the baby name Rudy. Rudy is the short form of Rudolf, a name given to the English from the German hrod wulf, made up of the Germanic elements hrod meaning fame and wulf meaning wolf. Therefore, the name Rudolf means wolf of renowned or famous wolf. As a diminutive of Rudolf, Rudy would henceforth mean little famous wolf. Rudolf was an important name in medieval Germany, having been associated with the Hapsburg dynasty, starting with the 13th century Rudolph von Hapsburg, the first Hapsburg king of the Germans, to the 19th century Archduke Rudolf, Crown Prince of Austria-Hungary and heir to the emperorship. So the powerful European Habsburg monarchy basically started and ended with a Rudolf. This is because the prince never assumed the emperor role, for which he had been groomed his whole life. Instead, at the age of 30, Rudolf died under mysterious circumstances in an apparent murder-suicide pact with his 17-year-old mistress, an event which made international headlines. Because Rudolf's father, Emperor Franz Joseph I, only had one son, i.e., Prince Rudolf, the next in line to the throne was the emperor's brother, who renounced his succession, which passed on to his own son, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, Rudolf's cousin. Franz Ferdinand's assassination in 1914 would set in motion World War I and, as they say, the rest is Habsburg history. Among English speakers specifically, though, Rudolph was a name made popular in the late 19th century by an 1894 adventure novel written by Anthony Hope called The Prisoner of Zenda, which features a central character named Rudolph. See literary references below for more information. Adding more currency to the name was early 20th century silent film star and Latin lover Rudolph Valentino, born Rodolfo in Italy, and Italian-American NYC mayor Rudy Giuliani, b. Rudolph. Rodolfo is the Italian, Spanish and Portuguese equivalent. Rudy is the English diminutive or pet form of Rudolph/Rodolfo. Personality of the boy named Rudy. The number 5 personality loves the excitement of life and can easily adapt to all situations. As natural adventurers, these personalities thrive on the new and unexpected and prefer to be in constant motion. It makes them feel alive. They'll stir up some action if there's not enough around, and as inherent risk-takers, they enjoy pushing the envelope. Naturally rebellious, the 5 personality has no fear and never resists change. Traveling and new experiences feed their souls. 5s are very social and attract friends with ease. People love to be around the 5 fun-loving and exciting energy. This is also a lucky number in numerology, like the 3s, so fortune seems to shine on them, helped along by their own optimism and good nature. 5s have a quick wit, a cerebral mind, and are generally very persuasive. Popularity of the boy named Rudy. The informal diminutive Rudy dates back well over 100+ years on the American male naming charts. The name has never been particularly popular as an independently given name, but it has been widespread as a diminutive nickname for Rudolf and Rodolfo among English and Spanish speakers alike. That isn't to say Rudy hasn't enjoyed success as a name in his own right. His peak popularity was mostly enjoyed during the 1940s when he reached his apex on the charts at position number 234 in 1947. Relatively speaking, that's not too shabby. The name's usage was most likely influenced by popular American bandleader and entertainer of the 1940s Rudy Vallée. Today the name has dwindled to low levels of popularity, and we hear many parents bellyache about the rude aspect of the name. This is sheer silliness in our opinion. Rudy is an upbeat and friendly name, far from sounding impolite. Quick facts on Rudy. Gender, boy. Origin, English. Number of syllables, 2. Ranking popularity, 813. Pronunciation, RUED. Simple meaning, little famous wolf. Characteristics of Rudy. Freedom-loving, progressive, easygoing, adaptable, intellectual, adventurous, sensual. Cultural references to the baby name, Rudy. Literary characters of the baby name Rudy. Popular songs on Rudy. A song by Supertramp, Rudy, a song by The Specials, A Message to You Rudy. Famous people named Rudy. Rodolfo Rudy Sandoval, baseball player, Rudy Giuliani, NYC mayor, Rudy Vallée copyrightee, singer/bandleader, Rudolf Nureyev, ballet dancer, Rudy Fernandez, Spanish basketball player, Rudy Abbott, baseball coach, Rudy Hernandez, baseball player, Rudy Sarzo, bassist, Rudy Van Gelder, jazz recording engineer, Rudolph Valentino, silent film actor, Rudy Tomjanovich, basketball coach,